I am so excited to present to you my very first art installation in collaboration with Random Acts of Silliness, sponsored by the Altitude Gallery. It's titled Doors Within Doors, and this is a concept that I had been wanting to create for years. It's a culmination of a lot of different paintings that I have been creating over the last 6 years about doorways and pathways because I have always loved the symbology of the doorway. It's like an opportunity, it's like a moment in time. And the idea of having doors on top of doors is almost like time travel. It's almost like looking inside of yourself and realizing that you can go deeper and deeper and that there's opportunities within us at all times. My husband helped me to cut out these little doors, and I bought some fancy decorations off of Etsy to make them a little bit more decorative. I did get out of my comfort zone a bit with this project because the door is so heavy I couldn't lift it on my own, as well as the fact that I was using a brand new kind of paint that I'd never used before. It's exterior house paint, as the door was meant to be outdoors for an entire year. And then I had to use these heavy duty materials and real hinges to be able to create something that wouldn't fall apart. Since it's interactive art, so many people would be touching it. And actually, where it ended up is in a library in the children's section, and I saw a little boy playing with it very rough, and I'm so happy to see that it was withstanding all of the attention. It ended up in a library instead of outdoors because it ended up getting vandalized, although not too bad. It was just toppled over, so the hinges broke and some of the doors broke. But I was able to fix it up again and get it back out for the world to see. I'm extremely thankful for this opportunity to share my work and my concepts and the things that matter to me. I'd like to end by reading the post on the Random Acts of Silliness website. This portal welcomes you to journey deeper and deeper into otherworldly realms, new but strangely familiar. It leads to worlds inside of yourself, accessible only through your imagination. Each door opens to a different world and a different part of yourself, a picture of who you might be. Perhaps one door becomes a new discovery of a piece of yourself you never knew you were capable of. Or perhaps you open a door to find a quiet moment, to reconnect with a forgotten piece of your deepest personality. It is up to you to find those doors and desires that you wish to pursue. Then take the time to open them up to discover infinite possibilities. Matilda was born and raised in the southern Appalachian Mountains near Roanoke, Virginia. Her love of travel and skiing eventually led her to Big Sky, Montana. She and her husband Sam live near the base of the ski resort and enjoy spending their time in nature, skiing, hiking, and biking. One of their favorite ways to spend time together is to be creative. While Matilda paints, Sam plays the guitar. His music inspires her and gets mixed into the paintings in its own way. Matilda loves how fun and freeing painting is. If she could go through any portal, she'd choose this one so she could play and explore in her own imagination forever. This is one of the many portals that Random Acts of Silliness has installed in the Bozeman Valley.